numbers. ये शायद सेंटेंस में इस तरह से क्लैरिटी आपको वर्ड एग्जाम्पल में आएगी. फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल सेज द एलिवेटर वर्क्स वेरी वेल. एलिवेटर आपका सिंगुलर है, तो जो आपका वर्ब है दैट हैज़ ऑल्सो बी सिंगुलर. सो सिंग फॉर सिंगुलर ऑब्जेक्ट subject the verb is also singular, so it shows works. The word s is added because the subject is singular. Similarly, the elevators work very well because now elevators are plural, so the subject is, since subject is plural, so verb is also plural. So there always you should have a proper agreement between the subject and the verb. For the singular subject, verb always goes singular and vice versa. You must always check the subject and verb to be sure they agree. However, sometimes it's really difficult to decide exactly what the subject is if the subject and verb are separated. जो एग्जाम्पल्स हमने पिछले स्लाइड में देखी थी उसमें हमारे पास सब्जेक्ट एंड वर्ब्स वर जस्ट सिटिंग नेक्स्ट टू ईच अदर. सो ऐसे में आपको ये कॉम्प्रिहेंड करना कि सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट है तो सिंगुलर वर्ब होगा, इट्स रादर ईजी. बट ऐसे सेंटेंसेस जिसमें आपके पास जो वर्ब है वो आपके सब्जेक्ट से distant हो with some additional information or complements in the sentence, वहाँ पर ये comprehend करना कि आपका agreement कैसे होगा is little difficult. So अब हम उसको सीखेंगे. So for instance, the example says the boys in the room are studying. So this in the room is making a little distance. So boys is plural. So we should know that since we are talking about the boys, so this सब्जेक्ट जो है वर्ब जो है वो अग्री करेगा विद बॉयज़ के साथ बिकॉज द रूम इज सिंगुलर, बट वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द सब्जेक्ट इज प्लूरल, सो द वर्ब ऑल्सो अग्री विद द सब्जेक्ट. सो द बॉयज़ इन द रूम आर स्टडिंग, इट्स नॉट अबाउट इज स्टडिंग. Very often if the subject and the verb are separated, जैसे कि suspected, they will be separated by a prepositional phrase. The prepositional phrase has no effect on the verb. जैसे हमने पिछले एग्जाम्पल में भी देखा कि आपके पास अगर subject and verb are distantly placed हैं और in between they have prepositional phrases, so we should have to keep track of it. और इन prepositional phrases का आपके verb के ऊपर कोई difference, कोई effect नहीं होता. आपका verb should always agree with the subject. For singular subject, verb should be singular. For the plural subject, verb should be plural. Regardless आपका in between जो conjunction है, जो prepositional phrases हैं वो क्या हैं, इनको हम example से समझते हैं. First example says the study of languages is very interesting. अब यहाँ पे जो languages है ये after prepositional phrase ये plural है, but we are talking about the study which is a singular thing. So the singular subject goes with the singular verb, which is very interesting. Second example is several theories on this have been proposed. Now several theories means they are more than one, so it's plural subject. On this refers to a singular thing but is a prepositional phrase. So we have nothing, the subject has nothing to do with the verb of this kind of this prepositional phrase. So regardless what is written in the middle, we directly say have been proposed because have been is goes well with the plural subject. Third example is the view of these disciplines. View we are talking about which is singular subject. These disciplines they are after these are the prepositional phrases and we have nothing to do with this. So this view varies from time to time. Varies is a singular because s adds when you're singular subject. Then the danger of forest fires is not to be taken lightly. The danger is a singular danger. Of forest fires, it is a prepositional phrase. We will not consider this in the middle, and the singular verb will be used, will come afterwards. Then the effects of that crime. The crime is singular, but the effects are multiple, so it's a plural subject. So the verb should be plural, which is are likely to be devastating. An example, last example is the fear of rape and robbery. So the fear is singular, but the events followed are more. The of rape and robbery, which is like prepositional additional words, which we will not be considering when we have to agree the subject with